Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Verify your device meets OS and GPU requirements, and pick the source type: video, animated GIF, or a live wallpaper package. Once done, download and install a compatible app such as Wallpaper Engine or Lively. Make sure to grant any display and startup permissions. You do this because apps handle playback, scaling, and performance. Now open the app and locate the Import or Browse option so you can add your chosen asset and begin configuring resolution and loop settings. Once your app has the asset, import it, drag and drop, or use the app's import dialog. You should pick MP4H, 264 for best compatibility. GIF work but can use more CPU. Next, configure display. Set scale and crop to match your screen, using a 16:9 ratio when appropriate, and enable seamless looping. Then tune performance. Cap frame rate, enable pause on full screen to save resources, and set GPU priority. These choices balance visual quality with smooth system performance. You finalize by applying the wallpaper to the chosen monitor, saving a profile, and enabling Start with System so it persists. Then test. Open a game or video to confirm pause on full screen works, verify multi-monitor alignment, and observe battery or CPU impact for a few minutes. If issues appear, stuttering, crashes, or high CPU, update your display drivers, lower the frame rate, reduce resolution, or switch to a static image temporarily. This single troubleshooting step fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.